Hey everyone. So today we are solving this question. The question is first and last occurrences, right? So the question is that we are given one shorted array and with possibly some duplicates, right? So the task is to find the first and last occurrences of an element x in the given array. So let's write the logic. So what I'll do, I'll first create two functions. So I'll name it first occurrence. It will take one array and whatever the value is given, right? And my second method will return the last occurrence, right? So let's write the logic for first occurrence. So here I'll use binary search because as we all know that if the array is sorted and we have to find any element in that array, so the best approach is binary search, right? To implement binary search, I have to create one starting pointer and one ending pointer and one mid. Okay, mid is equal to start plus end minus start by 2. And I'll create one while loop with one condition, start less than equal to end. Right. The first condition is if whatever the element at index mid, if it is equal to my target value, then do one thing, store the mid value in the answer, right? Store the mid value in the answer, but I have to find the first occurrence now. How I can say that mid the current mid is the first occurrence of given value? So to find the first occurrence, what I'll do, I'll move to the left part. If I found one index which contains the value same as the target, so what I'll do to find the first occurrence, I'll move to the left part. I'll search in the left part. Is there any other index at which the target is present? So to do that, I'll move an index to the mid minus 1. And I'll put one more condition. If whatever the mid value, whatever the value present at mid index is greater than my target, then I can say that the value is not present after mid index. The value is present before mid index. So what I'll do, I'll move the end pointer to the mid minus 1, right? And there is one more case that if the value present at mid index is less than x, then I have to change the position of starting pointer to the mid plus 1, right? So at the end of the loop, I'll get one answer, and I can say that the whatever the answer is, either it is minus 1 or the smallest index or first occurrence of my target, right? And I have to do one more thing. I have to update mid value again and again, right? So to do that, I have to place mid updation statement here, right? So the first occurrence code is completed here. I'll put the same code in this method, in last occurrence method, and I'll change only one statement. I'll just change this statement as mid plus 1. Start is equal to mid plus 1, right? So now it will return the last occurrence of whatever the my target is. Okay, now I can say that my 90% code is completed here. I'll just create one array list of type integer, right? And in zeroth position, in zeroth position, I'll put the value returned by the first occurrence method, right? And at first index, I'll put the value returned by last index, returned by last occurrence method, right? So now what I have to do, I just have to return the answer array list. Now let's try. Okay, so it is working for the given test cases. Let's submit it. Is it working for all the test cases or not? So it is working for all the test cases. So here is the solution.